So to your point, 21, we want to bring a new type of company to the capital markets, one that's centered entirely around Bitcoin. The business is co-founded by Tether and myself, and so we've been in Bitcoin for over a decade. And I think what started as a lot of inspiration and really clever creative thinking by Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy turned into an opportunity for us, where we saw a market where there's increasing institutional demand, increasing capital markets appetite that we felt wasn't met in a way that we valued, which was a business that wasn't small cap, wasn't pivoting from an old operating company, wasn't rebranding. It was purpose built to be one of, if not the winner of this Bitcoin opportunity, founded by technologists that have built software in this space and successful businesses before. And what we really pride ourselves on is being, blue chip credibility with startup upside. We feel like we're big enough to win entering the market with billions of dollars of capital upon launch, but we're small enough to grow. And we're small enough to post Bitcoin denominated returns in what's becoming a really competitive capital markets appetite for Bitcoin exposure. So that's a lot of the founding of the business is we're not small, we're not pivoting, we're not rebranding. We're Bitcoiners that have built this very industry and are excited to bring what we believe is valuable to the capital markets.
And you're coming to market with over 42,000 Bitcoin. So, what strategic conditions made this the right time to launch?
I think any time is the right time to be buying Bitcoin. I've believed that before I was the co-founder and CEO of this business, and I believe it afterwards. For us, the timing again was more just an opportunity. We believe that a lot of the folks that have taken upon MicroStrategy's strategy, they are smaller businesses. They may not suit the level of institutional demand that we've seen in our corners of Wall Street, in our corners of the capital markets. And then MicroStrategy is a very big business. They have a very big balance sheet already. Posting Bitcoin returns at that size and scale can be difficult. And we didn't see anyone in the market actually extending the ability of having this much Bitcoin on your balance sheet, having access to capital markets, and building technology beyond just owning the Bitcoin. We were hoping that some of these companies would build software, build products, build tools, find the high margin, high growth opportunities in this space and build on the utility aspect of Bitcoin. And nobody has taken on that responsibility. And we figured we would. So it was more just the appetite that we built for the opportunity and realizing be the change you want to see in the world. We felt we were more than capable at bringing a blue chip, credible public equity to the market with the startup upside and the potential that we think the capital markets were demanding.
Can you talk more about why investors would look to something like 21 compared to, say, Bitcoin ETFs, which have garnered major adoption since their launch?
Yeah. So we're an operating business. That's the biggest difference.